I would like to invite our chief guest, Professor Dr. Zaryab Setna, endovascular surgeon, fertility consultant, the Lady Dufferin Hospital, Karachi.
Honorable guests, Sajid Rashid, distinguished delegates, and all the young champions of health. Assalamu alaikum. It's truly a privilege to be here today at the 33rd International Children's Health Conference. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Hamdard Foundation Pakistan for organizing this esteemed event and for their unwavering dedication to maternal and child health, a vision so passionately championed by late Shaheed Hakeem Saeed. His legacy continues to inspire us to prioritize the well-being of our future generations. Our theme this year, Healthy Beginning, Hopeful Futures, underscores the fundamental truth that health and well-being of children today determines the prosperity of our society tomorrow. Ensuring that every child has access to proper healthcare, nutrition, a safe environment is not just a duty but a moral imperative. The challenges we face today in child's healthcare and maternal healthcare are immense. Malnutrition continues to stunt growth and cognitive development in millions of children worldwide. Vaccine-preventable diseases still claim young lives, despite the availability of effective programs, medications, etc. Mental health issues are often overlooked and are on the rise due to an increasing academic pressure, social challenges, and the ever-growing influence of digital platforms. While these challenges are daunting, they are not insurmountable. So what can we do? First, we must emphasize preventive healthcare. Many childhood diseases can be avoided through simple interventions, vaccinations, proper hygiene, routine medical checkups, all which have been discussed by all our champions today, young champions. They've discussed this in great detail. Parents, educators, healthcare providers must work together as a team and to ensure prevention remains a priority. Second, education and awareness plays a crucial role. Parents and caregivers must be equipped with knowledge about nutrition, child development, and mental well-being. Schools should incorporate health and wellness programs to educate children on the importance of a balanced diet, regular exercise, emotional resilience, all which we have discussed today. Third, government and community actions are essential. Policymakers must implement and enforce regulations that ensure access to quality healthcare for all, regardless of their socioeconomic background. Community-driven initiatives such as free medical camps, nutrition drives, mental health awarenesses can help bridge all these gaps where resources are limited. The Hamdard Foundation's initiatives, including this very conference, serves as a beacon of hope. They remind us that when individuals and organizations unite for a common cause, meaningful change is possible. Through continued collaboration, research, and dedication, we can shape a world where no child is deprived of a right to a healthy life. As we gather today, let us pledge to be advocates, the voices and challenge makers of a child's health. Whether we are doctors, educators, policymakers, parents, we each have a role to play and ensure that our future generations thrive. Let this conference serve as a platform for new ideas, stronger partnerships, and innovative solutions. Let us leave here today inspired to take tangible steps that will create a lasting impact. A healthy child is obviously a hopeful future, and together we have the power to make this a reality. Thank you so much. And congratulations, Dr.
Thank you. We all made it a success.
Thanks.
Thank you, Commissioner.